नमस्ते बेटियों, खुश रहिए बेटियों। I, JVN Dr. Parvinder Singh, Professor and HOD Department of Homeopathic Pharmacy, welcomes you all on the digital version 2.0. Today's topic is general knowledge and scope of legislation in relation to homeopathic pharmacy. Part 2. Manufacture for sale of homeopathic medicine. The rules are related to the manufacturing of the homeopathic medicine and sales of homeopathic medicine. The rule 85A, manufacture on more than one set of premises. If homeopathic medicines are manufactured in more than one set of premises, a separate application shall be made and a separate license shall be obtained in respect of each such set of premises. 85B. It is applied on the application for license to manufacture homeopathic medicine. Application for grant or renewal of license to manufacture for sale of homeopathic medicines shall be made to the licensing authority appointed by state government for the purpose of this part hereinafter in this part referred to as the licensing authority and shall be made in Form 24C. The application in Form 24C shall be accompanied by fee of rupees 40 for manufacture of homeopathic mother tinctures and potentized preparations, and by a fee of rupees 25 for manufacture of homeopathic potentized preparations only. If a person applies for renewal of a license after its expiry, but within 1 month of such expiry, the fee payable for the renewal of such a license shall be rupees 40 plus an additional fee of rupees 20 for the manufacture of homeopathic mother tinctures and potentized preparations, and rupees 25 plus and additional fee of rupees 10 for the manufacture of homeopathic potentized preparations only. Number 4. A fee of rupees 10 shall be paid for a duplicate copy of the license for the manufacture of homeopathic mother tincture and potentized preparations issued under sub-rule 1 if the original is defaced, damaged or lost, while the fee to be paid for such a duplicate copy of the license for the manufacture of homeopathic potentized preparations only shall be rupees 5. 85C. Application to manufacture new homeopathic medicine subject to the other provision of these rules. Number 1. No new homeopathic medicine shall be manufactured unless it is previously approved by the licensing authority mentioned in the Rule 21. The manufacture of new homeopathic medicine when applying to the licensing authority mentioned in sub-rule 1 shall produce such documentary and other evidence as may be required by the licensing authority for assessing the therapeutic efficacy of the medicine, including the minimum proving carried out with it. While applying for a license to manufacture a new homeopathic medicine, an applicant produce along with the application evidence to the new homeopathic medicine for the manufacture of which application is made has already been approved. Explanation: the term new homeopathic medicine in the rule shall have the same meaning as in Rule 30AA. 85D. Form of license to manufacture homeopathic medicines. Licenses for 543 manufacture of homeopathic medicines as a license to manufacture potentized preparations from back potencies by pharmacies who are already licensed to sell homeopathic medicines by retail shall be granted in Form 25C and 85E. Conditions for the grant of renewal of a license in Form 25C. Before a license in Form 25C is granted or renewed, the following condition shall be compiled while the applicant: the manufacture of homeopathic medicine shall be conducted under the direction and supervision of competent technical staff consisting at least of one person who is a whole-time employee and who has at least 5 years experience in the manufacture of homeopathic medicine. The factory premises shall be clean and the manufacture shall be carried out under hygienic condition. The applicant for manufacture of homeopathic mother tincture shall either provide and maintain the adequate staff, premises and laboratory equipment for identifying the raw material and for testing the mother tinctures wherever possible, or make an arrangement with some institution approved by the licensing authority for tests wherever possible to be regularly carried out on his behalf by that institution. The premises where homeopathic medicine are manufactured shall be distinct and separate from the premises used for residential purpose. Homeopathic medicine shall not be manufactured simultaneously with drugs pertaining to other system of medicine. The applicant shall make arrangements for proper storage of homeopathic medicine manufactured by him, provided that the manufacturer has issued Form 20C. The licensee shall ensure to the satisfaction of the licensing authority that the conduct manufactured by it conform to the claims made on the label. 85F. Duration of license. An original license or a renewal of a license, unless it is sooner suspended or cancelled, shall be valid up to the 31st December of the year following the year in which it is granted renewed, provided that if application for the renewal of a license in force is made before its expiry, or if the application is made and the additional fee paid within 1 month of its expiry, the license shall continue to be in force until orders are passed on the application. The license shall be deemed to have expired if application for its renewal it is not made within 1 month after its expiry. 85G. Certificate of renewal. The certificate of renewal of a license in Form 20C shall be issued in Form 26C. 85H. Conditions of licensee. A licensee in Form 25C shall be subject to the condition stated therein and to the following further conditions, namely: A. The licensee shall provide and maintain staff and premises as specified in Rule 85E. The licensee shall allow an inspector authorized by the licensing authority in their behalf to enter, with or without prior notice, any premises where the manufacture of a homeopathic medicine in respect of which the license is issued is carried on. The inspect the premises and to take samples of the manufactured homeopathic medicine. The licensee shall allow an inspector to inspect all registers and records maintained under these rules and shall apply to the inspector such information as he may require by the purpose of ascertaining whether the provision of the Act and the rules made thereunder have been observed. The licensee shall maintain an inspection book in Form 35 to enable an inspector to record his impression and defects noticed. The licensee shall comply with the following conditions in respect of mother tinctures manufactured by him. The crude drugs used in the manufacture of the mother tincture shall be identified, and records of such identification shall be kept. The total solid in the mother tinctures shall be determined, and records of such tests shall be kept. The alcohol content in the mother tincture shall be determined, and records of the same shall be maintained. The container of mother tinctures shall preferably be glass and shall be clean and free from any sort of impurities or adhering matter. The glass shall be neutral as far as possible. In the process of manufacture of mother tinctures, hygienic conditions shall be scrupulously observed by the license. Storage, handling conditions shall also be properly observed by the licensee according to homeopathic principle. Records shall be maintained of homeopathic medicine containing alcohol and quantities sold together with names and addresses of parties to whom sold. 85.1. Cancellation and suspension of license. The licensing authority may, after giving the licensee an opportunity to show cause why such an order should not be passed, by an order in writing stating the reason thereof, cancel a license issued under this part and suspend it for such period as he thinks fit, either wholly or in respect of some the substances to which it reveals, if in his opinion the licensee has failed to comply with any of the conditions of the license or with any provisions of the act or rules made thereunder. Second, a licensee whose license has been suspended or cancelled may appeal to the state government, whose decision shall be final. Thank you. Namaste बिटियो, खुश रहिए बिटियो. Our next topic again on the legislation in respect of homeopathic pharmacy. Namaste.